हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का मेरे YouTube चैनल में स्वागत है। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फर्स्ट इन वर्ल्ड के बारे में। फर्स्ट इन वर्ल्ड से मतलब है मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी कि ये काम सबसे पहले किसने किया, जो कि आपको आपकी जनरल नॉलेज को बढ़ाएगा। ये आप सभी किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए देख सकते हैं। उसमें ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत फायदेमंद है। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी करके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको और भी अपडेट्स मिलते रहे, और वीडियो को शुरू से एंड तक जरूर देखें। Who was the first person of chairman of the People's Republic of China? Mao Zedong. Who was the first president of the Chinese Republic? Dr. Sun Yat-sen. Who was the first president of USA? George Washington. Who was the first foreign invader to India? Alexander the Great. Who is the first person to reach South Pole? Roald Amundsen. Who was the first person to reach North Pole? Robert Edwin Peary. Who is the first person in space? Yuri Gagarin. Who was the first person on moon? Neil Armstrong. What was the name of the lady who climbed the Mount Everest? Junko Tabei. Who was the first European to visit China? Marco Polo. The first atom bomb was dropped at Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Who was the first person to walk in space? Alexei Leonov. Who was the first woman cosmonaut in space? Valentina Tereshkova. Who was the first British Governor General of Bengal? Warren Hastings. Name the swimmer who crossed over the English Channel by swimming around the world. Mihir Sen. Who got the first Raman Magsaysay Award in world? Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Who was the first Nobel Prize in India? Rabindranath Tagore. What was the name of first Indian chairman in International Court? Justice Dr. Najendra Singh. Who was the first foreigner to get Bharat Ratna Award? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who was the first recipient of Bharat Ratna Award in world? C. Rajagopalachari. Who was the first recipient of Bharatiya Gyanpith Puraskar in world? S. Shankar Kurup. Who was the first person awarded in Hindi literature person awarded Bharatiya Gyanpith Puraskar in world? Sumitra Nandan Pant. Who was the first Indian to win the World Billiard Award? Wilson Jones. Who was the first Indian to win the Grammy Award in world? P.T. Ravi Shankar. Who was the first person delivered the lecture in Hindi in UNO? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Name the Indian members in the first British House of Commons. Dada Bhai Nauroji. Name the mountaineer who first scaled the Mount Everest 8 times in world. Sherpa Ogateria. Who was the first man to compile Encyclopedia Asosis? Name the first Asian to win Wimbledon Trophy. Arthur Ashe. Name the scientist who got the first Ghanshyam Das Birla Award. Professional Asia Datta. Asis Datta. Name the first literature to be awarded with Murti Devi Puraskar in world. C.K. Nagaraja Rao. Which Indian was awarded with Lenin Peace Prize in world? Dr. Saifuddin Kichlau. Who was the first Indian was contested the election for British Parliament? Lal Mohan Ghosh. Who was the first Indian member of the Victory Executive Council in 1909 in world? Satyendra Parsana Sinha. Who was the first Indian member of American Congress? Dalip Singh Sondh. Name the first bowler who made hat-trick in Test cricket. Fred Spofforth. Who was the first Indian to win the gold medal in Olympic Games individually? Abhinav Bindra. Which game was the first country to host modern Olympic Games? Greece. Which was the first country to extend legal rights to the apes? Spain. Which was the first country to launch secrets? Denmark. Which was the first country to make education compulsory? Russia. Who was the first person to reach Mount Everest? Sherpa Tenzing. Edmund Hillary. Which was the first country to print book in world? China. Who was the first person to fly aeroplane in world? Wright brothers. Who was the first woman president of the UN General Assembly? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Which was the first country to send man to the moon? USA. Who was the first person to sail round the world? Magellan. Which was the first country to prepare a constitution in world? USA. Which was the first country to commence competitive examination in civil services in world? China. Which was the first country to issue paper currency in world? China. World War I began in which year? 1914. Who was the first Western explorer to reach China? Marco Polo. Who created history by becoming the first Indian badminton player to win a silver medal at the Asian Games? PV Sindhu. Who was the first person to perform heart transplantation? Dr. Christian Bernard. Which was the first country in the world to introduce internet voting? Estonia. Who was the first person to draw the map of Earth? Anaximander. The world photograph was taken in which year? 1826. Which was the first eldest man to climb Mount Everest? Richard Was. Which was the first spacecraft to reach on Mars? Viking 1. Which was the first battle of which war was the Battle of Alma? Crimean War. Who was the first woman president of a country? Maria Estela Piron. Who was the first US president to resign presidency? Richard Nixon. Who was the first Secretary General of UN? Sergey Lee. Which place was the first black republic in the world? Haiti. Who was the first king in world history? Sargon. Renaissance started first in which country of world? Italy. The Industrial Revolution is first took place in which country of world? England. Who was the first to distinguish between cause and immediate origins of an event? Thucydides. When were ancient Olympic Games first held? 776 BC. Who was the first woman to reach Antarctica? Caroline Michelson. Who was the first historian to use tripartite periodicity in world? Leonardo Bruni. Which was the first country to abolish slave trade of world? Britain. Which was the first nation to formally declare that bisphenol A was hazard to human health in world? Canada. Which was the first country to destroy all of its chemical weapons in world? Albania. Which was the first country to extend humanitarian assistance to the Palestinian people in 2011 of world? Indonesia. Who was the first woman to circumnavigate the world? Jeannie Barrett. Which was the first country to give every primary school child a laptop? The world. Uruguay. Which was the first country to receive translated software in world? Brazil. Which was the first country to stop food importation from Japan? US. Which was the first country to deploy 4G in Asia? India. Which was the first country to criminalize parental alienation of the world? Brazil. Which was the first country to use postcards in world? Australia. Which was the first country in Europe to ban drivers from smoking with children in car in world? Wales. Which was the first country to ban plastic bags of the world? Bangladesh. Asia's first underground hydel project is located in which country? Himachal Pradesh. Which is the first country to enact blue card in world? Spain. Which is the first city in the world to have suburban railway system? London. Which was the first country to introduce carbon floor price of the world? UK. Which was the first country to ratify Lisbon Treaty of the World? Hungary. Which was the first country to recognize new Libyan regime in the world? France. Which was the first country to legalize marijuana for medicinal purposes in world? Canada. Which was the first country to use social media to increase its country's international export opportunities in the world? Denmark. Which was the first city in the world where metro started? Was London. Which was the first country to ban human cloning in world? Britain. Who was the first woman pilot to fly an Airbus 300 in world? Durba Banerjee. Who was the first woman to win the Templeton Award in world? Mother Teresa. Which was the first country to approve stem cell therapy in world? South Korea. Who won first Nobel Prize for Chemistry? Jacobus Henricus van Titov. Which was the first satellite of the world? Sputnik by USSR. Which king was first addressed as Your Majesty? Henry VIII. Fabian socialism emerged first in which country of the world? Great Britain. Who officially instituted the first system of imperial examinations in China? Han Wudi. When did the space age bring the first women's spaceflight? 1961. What was the name of the first Roman emperor in world? Augustus. Name the American president who abolished slavery. Abraham Lincoln. Name the Polish astronomer who first demonstrated mathematically that the planets, including the Earth, rotate around the Sun. Copernicus. Name the Chinese philosopher who founded the religion Confucianism. Kung Fu Tzu. Who was the commonly known Greek physician? Hippocrates. Name the automobile manufacturer who is said to have put America on wheels. Henry Ford. Name the Russian revolutionary leader who became the first premier of the post-imperial communist Russia. Vladimir Lenin. Name the British scientist who is famous for his theory of gravitation and the 3 laws of motion. Isaac Newton. Name the founder of Christianity. Jesus Christ. Who was the first Indian to be president of UN General Assembly? Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Who was the first person to adapt a computer language? William Henry Gates. थैंक यू। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।